Don't be shy, partner. No such thing as a stranger here.
Hey, partner.
Well, you look like you need to take a load off.
Well, ain't this a rare treat? Why didn't you tell me we had guests coming? I'd have fixed myself up nice.
Oh, now you know you look perfect, princess.
I ain't no guest, miss. I'm just passing through.
Oh, nonsense. Well, come on in. Rest a while. Now, we got food on the stove and a bottle of the good stuff we've been saving.
It's decided then. I'm gonna go freshen up.
I appreciate the offer, but I best be on my way.
Oh, come on now. How you gonna turn down a hot meal and good company? I'll go open that bottle. Hey, there he is. Come on in. Come on. I hope she ain't primping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you?
Me?
Well, sure. Hey, get to know the place. Make yourself at home. Well, just go hurry her up a little. She won't listen to me. Go on, partner. She won't mind. Would you just pop your head around the door? Or we won't be eating till Christmas.
Well, look who it is. You are hungry, ain't you?
I didn't mean to intrude, miss.
It's all right. Looking ain't a crime. You go on and have a seat at the table. I'll be down in a minute. You rascal. I'll be right down, I promise. This ain't over, just an intermission.
He, just asked me to check on you, that's all.
Oh, you don't need to make any excuses. No, sirree. Hey, slow it down there. Plenty of time for that.
Sure. My apologies, miss.
And there was me thinking you was the bashful type. He always likes watching me get ready, too. Never rush a good time. My pa always told me. Rest his soul.
Excuse me? Sorry, miss. She'll, be down in just a minute.
Woohoo! That is what I like to hear. Hey, now pull up a chair, partner.
She seems, real nice lady.
Oh, she's my everything, friend. From the womb to the tomb, I'm a lucky man. Hey, pull up a chair, partner. Ah, got a brown dog scratching at the back door, have you, partner? Well, you just come take a seat here when you're done. No need to stand on ceremony here. Well, hey!
Hey!
Ain't this just about perfect? One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Then look at us, like a couple of old friends. Ah, it's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixins'. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
It's good. Different.
That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids. Before we lost our ma and pa. Horrible business.
Horrible.
But we still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have a hog killing time.
Here, that's for you.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come on, honey.
I appreciate the hospitality, folks, but I best be on my way.
No, already? I thought we was gonna have some fun together. Oh.
I'm sure you two can have more than enough fun without me.
See, Princess? I told you he'd be back. Come on, pull up a chair, partner. Well, we still can enjoy ourselves, Princess.
See? He doesn't want to leave.
But come on, friend. Sit yourself back down and loosen up a bit. Life's too short.
I know just what he wants.
You know what any man wants, honey pie.
One drink. What's the worst that could happen?
What a shame, partner. We were just starting to have a good time.
Got myself all warmed up for nothing.
Oh, not for nothing, Princess.
Ah, what the hell?
Oh, about time. Take whatever cat she has on her and put it behind Mama.
You sons of bitches got some explaining to do. Remember me, boy? Yep.
You ain't... Whoa! Stop it! I ain't a damn hog!
What? How the hell did you...
Oh!
Let's cut him open and watch him bleed!
That's my... Ah! Sick sons of bitches. Just isn't your day, is it?
Bray! No! You animal! You're gonna pay, you bastard!
This could get bumpy.